Greenpeace Africa het Luke Rudman, 'n kunststudent aan die Nelson Mandela Universiteit, gekontak nadat hy van sy vorige werke op sosiale media netwerke geplaas het. Daarna het hy vir maande in die geheim aan die projek gewerk. Die projek is ten doel om aandag te vestig op die gevare van plastiekbesoedeling.
I think the idea of presenting the plastic pollution problem in a new way, maybe through performance art or through clothing, really seemed to catch people's attention.
Rudman het die plastiek en ander herwinbare materiaal wat hy vir sy kunswerke nodig gehad het, self versamel.
What people don't know is fast fashion and textiles make up a huge section of our landfill. And I also wanted to raise awareness about that. But also, it's made out of plastic and pollution. And unfortunately, most of this plastic was collected along our own Nelson Mandela Bay coastline in the bushes where the wind had caught the plastic that didn't end up in the sea was ending up in the bushes, and that's what I collected.
Al Rudman se skepings gaan in November by die Nelson Mandela Universiteit se kunsgalery uitgestal word. Hy hoop dit dwing mense om na te dink oor die gevare wat hulle vullis vir die omgewing inhou. Rosalind Klaasen vir Nuusdag in Port Elizabeth.